Today I'll show you how to cook the sea bass in oven. This is a very simple recipe. First of all, we have a sea bass. We take out what you don't need, and I start cutting this stuff. One. So I'm cleaning the sea bass for what will be not good when cooking. And cook. Okay. This is. So when we will clean, that will be easier to take out the skin from the sea bass. Be careful, this can be quite dangerous. Now, once we take out all the lisk, we're going to wash this fish. Already take out the interior. Check if there is something else, and okay, now it's nice and clean. And take the second sea bass and do the same operation. I'm going to remove all the unwanted items that will be easier for later to do. I take out all the interior. It's clean, nice and clean. And now close the water and take out one. This one. Okay, this is a very simple way to clean the sea bass. All the fins that are not necessary in when we cook, and will be easier when we clean the fish once it's ready. Okay, this one, this one, and this one. Okay, that is the first step is done. We do one more cleaning, and the fish now is ready. The fish is clean and ready to cook. What we need fish, that I'm using sea bass, but you can use any other fish as you like. Parsley, we need garlic, I need salt and black pepper. First of all, you already clean the parsley. Now I'm start chopping the parsley, nice and tiny chop. Okay, that is nice chopped. After I have the chopped parsley, I need the garlic. I take out the skin, I like in this way, and all the stuff what is not nice. Have a nice garlic taste. Take out everything, so clean. This is the garlic, so take out what I don't need. This one, and okay. Now I like crush the garlic so they spread more evenly, and here you are, and I do the small pieces. One, do the garlic, so there is a nice flavor in the fish. Okay, once I did this one, I put some black pepper, so they give some flavor. It could have a few spices, not too much. Okay, nice and spicy, and then a little bit, a pinch of table salt. These two. Okay. Now you mix, nice. Next step is, you can do straight on the in oven tray, but I prefer put a nice layer of foil, so it will be easier once we clean. So I lay down a foil. Now I pick up one fish already clean and put in the inside. On the inside and put at the moment here. And now the other fish, nice and clean. Put inside. And here we are. So this is the simple preparation of the fish. What I will do now, wash this one. Now that they have filled up the interior, I will drop very good abundant salt on the outside. This is as much you like. Will not influence the taste or the saltiness of the fish. So one side come and the other side. And nice. No problem. This is very coated of salt. It will be very nice and cool. That is alright. And now it's ready. Is ready to put in the oven. I preheat already the oven at 180 degrees. I put on up and down both sides, so you see very nice warm, and I'll put the fish in the oven for around 20 minutes. Depend, then you will adjust the time yourself, because depend of the size of the fish and everything. So we wait around 20 minutes and we'll see the result. Now what we're going to do, the fish, we need to make the sauce for the fish. What we need, I use again parsley, garlic. In this time I use olive oil and salt. Olive oil, homemade olive oil from Sicily, from my personal garden. Black pepper and a lemon. First of all, I cut again the parsley, finely chopped, a little bit, a bunch of garlic is washed and clean. Okay, this is will go in the pot. Okay, nice. I clean the garlic as I did before. Everything is very simple. Okay, again. Now I crush the garlic here. Very nice. I will add some olive oil. Nice, good olive oil. Okay. I put a pinch of salt, this as you wish, black pepper. Now cut a lemon and squeeze the lemon. Oh, nice. Okay. And And here now one just mix together, and the sauce is ready for when we clean the fish. Now I pick up the fish from oven. Ah, look, so beautiful fish, nice and crusty. Is nice and crusty. The salt, as you can see, is make a nice crusty. And now what I'm going to do is pick up this fish. Be careful because it's hot, and I separate. Nice. From the foil. And as you can see, now how we clean the fish. I use 2 plates. This I put back in oven while I clean, so we have more space. As you can see, what I'm doing now, it's time to clean. I take out this one. I cook with now move the ecco qua. I take out the head. We cook with the head because it gives some nice flavor. Okay, now I open up from here. It's nice. Now look, just simple, as simple as this one. Remove the skin, and voila, the fish is so nice and juicy. I remove everything here. Now I cut a little bit, separate this on the middle, and you can see that is and that is the best way to clean. It's nice and clean, and I put in the other plate. The same things go here. This is more tricky because that one is clean of bones. This still have some bones, so we clean, take out this that we don't need. Okay, and move back here. Now the trick here is where we have some bones, fish bones, and obviously here where you have to be very carefully. You remove a beginning. Okay, this one should be quite clean now, all bones, and put back here. The same things, I take out the inside of this one and move. In the meantime, I try to clean with the bones. This is whatever is left. This is some bones here, and here this is what we clean and separate again the same way. Now this is look, oh, come easy. Okay, now look, so beautiful. Cut out, clean, take out what is here. This one, obviously, and that one here. We take out this list, and this I take piece by piece. Take out everything, and it's ready to put in the plate, so we can eat. Once now is this what is left from is this nice fish clean, and now I take the sauce that I prepare before. Okay, see, nice sauce, and drop on top. So will be very moist. You You with salt and herbs, and this is ready to eat. See? Okay. Simple, easy and tasty fish. That is how I've been cleaning the fish, but the same operation you can repeat with the second fish or with any other fish, and this is a very simple and quick way to cook your fish. Say again, we clean the fish, we prepare the fish, we put inside. The inside when we put is to give the flavor from the inside of the fish, and we put salt so coated and don't let burn the skin. Someone can eat the skin, but I like this way. You nice clean and you have ready to do. Nice plate. You can accompany with some salad or any other things. Enjoy your meal.